Connie here. Welcome to my studio and welcome to Quilting on a Thread. I'm going to be sharing with you a video that I had prepared earlier for my Facebook group, Cutie Quilters. I hope that you'll find it helpful. Okay, so I know everyone who has a Brother PQ1500S and those of us who also have 8-inch throat machines, we have about a 6-inch period of space front to back that we can quilt in, and I found a wonderful hack to mark that out. I've got some crochet cotton and I have tied it off into a loop that reaches from side to side of my machine. I clip it into the center of my side clips. I move my machine to the very front of where it can reach, and I move my machine to the very back of where it can reach. And if you will note carefully, voila, quilting zone demarcated. Clip my side clips in. Here's this nice little demarcation, both front and back. And my space is noted with a little piece of crochet thread, cotton yarn, ribbon, anything that's going to catch your eye, you're going to be able to see that. And as your machine moves side to side, there you are. You have that nice little space all demarcated for you.